Drink a protein shake every morning, and this happens. You need to know. Are you thinking of having a protein shake every morning? But how does this impact your health exactly? Aside from helping with muscle growth and ensuring that you get enough protein, can it benefit you more? Pretty impressive, huh? But do you really need to drink protein shakes every day? What happens if you do? Continue watching to learn all about it. 1. Keeps you feeling full. Getting a high-protein diet in the morning is an effective way to curb craving and promote feelings of fullness between meals. As a matter of fact, according to a certain study, a high-protein breakfast is more effective than a high-carb breakfast at reducing ghrelin levels, which are responsible for stimulating feelings of hunger. And so by drinking a protein shake in the morning, you can have significant reductions in calorie intake and ultimately body weight. 2. Ensures that you get sufficient protein. Protein can be found in a variety of foods. However, this can be extra difficult for some people, say, vegetarians, who have dietary restrictions. This is where protein shake comes to save the day. Animal protein sources provide essential amino acids, known as complete protein sources. On the other hand, plant-based foods only have incomplete protein sources. If you have a plant-based diet, it can be difficult to get all 9 essential amino acids every day. Thus, adding a high-quality protein supplement can solve this. 3. Promote muscle growth. Protein is vital for life. It builds our muscles and organs, as well as our hormones, enzymes, and neurotransmitters. For fitness enthusiasts, protein, or amino acids, is especially essential, as it helps with the growth and development of muscle and other tissues. It assists in providing structure and maintaining proper pH balance and fluid balance. Additionally, protein plays as chemical messengers to help with communication between your cells, tissues, and organs. 4. Help squeeze in extra nutrients. Aside from amino acids, protein shakes also provide some extra vitamins and minerals. Vegetables like kale, beets, spinach, and zucchini are all rich in nutrients that can easily blend it into a protein shake. You can also go for fruits like bananas, strawberries, kiwis, and blueberries, all of which are high on fiber, vitamins, antioxidants, and minerals. Other ingredients that will make a good addition to your shake include milk, nuts, seeds, yogurt, spices, and herbs. 5. Help with post-workout recovery. Perhaps one of the greatest things about protein shakes is that they're also good for your post-workout recovery. Having a glass of protein shake at least 30 minutes after workouts helps to feed your muscles and repair muscle tissues. It fuels your tired muscles after a workout, so they can glow more efficiently. Thus, if you want to have a good start on your post-workout recovery, then consuming a protein shake would do it.